In Akaie toven onte etge of agrowing shitei, tere was anarov street dat sie met ordinarai toe verhoune wo pas het by. Dis drose from its kraket rood, children ploy het barevoet, and all trees wesperet stories of te past. Uit 'n simple street kariet aan extraordinary sekret, het reise twee boys wo wild grof ep in completely different worlds, uit remain bound by a friendship stronger than money, status or fate. One boy was Ian, born into a poor family. His father worked as a daily laborer, carrying bricks under the burning sun, while his mother stitched clothes later into the nugget to earn a few extra coins. Their house was small, with a leaking roof and walls that had seen better days. Some nights, Ian slept hungry, listening to his parents whisper prayers for a better tomorrow. Just a few houses away lived Ryan, the son of a wealthy businessman. His home was large, painted brichtweite, with a garden full of flowers and a gate that shined like silver. Ryan had toys from foreign countries, neef clothes season, and dreams that reached the sky. His parents wanted him to become successful, powerful, and respected. Despite the difference in their lives, destiny brought Ian and Ryan together on their first day of school. Ian arrived wearing old shoes and a faded uniform. Ryan stepped out of a Sinai car, his bag filled with new books and colorful pens. For a moment, their eyes met, onvol of hope met with the fear, the utter curious and innocent. Dat single moment became the beginning of a lifelong friendship. At school, Ian struggled. Hij was intelligent but tirade, often distracted by hunger and worry. Ryan noticed this. Instead of eating him, he shared his lunch, helped him with homework, and sat beside him every day. Slowly, the classroom became a place where wealth and poverty did not matter, only friendship did. As years passed, the gap between their lives grew wider. Ryan's world expanded with the private tutors, computers, and big dreams of studying abroad. Ian's world remained small, filled with the responsibility, sacrifice, and silent pain. Uit every evening, they met on the same street, talking about life, dreams, and the future. Ian dreamed of becoming a teacher, so myone wo veel change liefes te wij knowlet gehad changet is. Ryan dreamed of building a big company, one that wilt make his parents proud. They promised each other that no matter how far life took them, they wilt never forget the street or each other. But life has a strong way of testing promises. A single incident wilt zo'n sake